day, everyone, and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm a certified professional digital trader with 13 years of experience. I'm also the founder of Senate Digital Lane, where you have the opportunity to learn about digital assets, where you also learn about the unique perspective about digital world, and anyone who has a knowledge gap about finance, about digital trading, about real estate, you can learn this education on our platform after selecting a package, either a monthly package, a 3 months package, a 6 months package, or a 1 year package. After subscribing for this package and making your payments online, you're going to have a login details to go into our online platform and learn these materials. So after you're done learning these materials from our platform, you can be able to use this information and make money in the digital world, also know more about finance and real estate. So if this is your first time, smash the like button, share this content, and also comment below your favorite parts of this market fundamental and technical breakdown. So starting from the whole session, we'll be starting with the technical before we dive into the fundamental. And this is for the time period of July 9th to July 14th. July 9th to July 14th. So we start with DXY. DXY is the strength of dollar. It is showing the strength of the dollar. So if DXY is going down, which means dollar is weak. If DXY is going up, dollar is strong. So based on the reaction we got from NFP last week, it was a negative news for dollar and the strength of dollar dropped. So we're expecting a corrective structure. It might not be this deep, but we'll be monitoring the chart. And then after a corrective structure, we're expecting the next wave down into what? This order block, this 4 hours order block. That is it for DXY. The next pair on our list is the Euro USD. Euro is 80% correlated to the dollar, which is DXY. So if DXY is going up, Euro USD is going down. If DXY is going down, Euro USD is going up. So we expect a corrective structure as well for Euro USD. This corrective structure, when this corrective structure is completed, then we'll now be looking for another up move. Like I said, we expect this corrective structure. After this corrective structure, then we expect another up move into this what? H4 order block and validation point. The next on our list is AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD has much more understandable entry order block or corrective structure area. So we're expecting AUD to come into this H4 bearish order block and what bullish order block and have a corrective structure. This is meant to be green. So when it comes into this bullish order block, we'll be looking for our entries here for a buy to go more up and what come into this H4 validation point and fulfill the efficiency at the validation point. So we'll be keeping an eye on AUD. Then the next pair on our list, which we used to bag a lot of profit last week, we made about 1:3%, is GPJPY. We risked 30 pips and made 90 pips. The signal was sent to our VIP. And on Thursday as well, the market came back into our entry and gave us another entry opportunity. And this also dropped more than 90 pips. It was 90 pips. We made it and we left the market. So the market came back, gave a re-entry, and then dropped more, about 180 pips or so. So currently for the structure of GBP-JPY, I know markets come back into the 185 psychological level, and then we'll be looking for our sell setups. I'm more interested on the sell setups. From this area, there could be a sell setup to continue dropping, but I'll be expecting more push up into the 185 psychological level before we then look for the next sell stop to drop down below. Then the next on our list is NZD-USD. NZD-USD is more like AUD-USD. It has a much understandable corrective structure area. So we're expecting NZD-USD to come into this H4 bullish validation point and bullish order block as well. And then from here, we're expecting what more push the upside, corrective structure, more push the upside up to this bearish validation point and order block. Then the next is USD card. USD card has fulfilled efficiency at a 1-day validation point. And from this area, we expect market to come back into a corrective structure into this area and drop further into the 1.300 psychological level. From here, we're expecting USD card to drop massively into the 1.300 psychological level. But we first of all expect a corrective structure into the daily validation points. And then from here, we'll be looking for our sell setups. So don't just open up a trade. As soon as the market opens up, you gotta open up a trade and start selling. No, you need to wait for your setup. The next on our list is USD JPY. JPY, we expect market to have a little corrective structure to the upside and one more drop. The market will open and the drop will just continue because the validation point where it needs to fulfill, it's very close to it. It's very close to it. So we expect what a corrective structure and one more drop on USD JPY. Then the next on our list is gold. Gold. So for gold, currently based on what we see on the market, I expect a corrective structure. Probably if we use the Fibonacci from the swing high, from the swing low to the swing high, from the swing low to the swing high, I expect gold to correct into the 50, which is equilibrium, or the 62, which is discount. And then from there, we'll be expecting an expansion into the 50 or 60, 62 expansion level based on the Fibonacci. So that's what I expect on the gold. A corrective structure and then one more push-up. Then for US oil, finally, US oil was able to break the range. It has been consolidating between the price of 72.73 per barrel and 68.88 dollars per barrel, but it broke that range. And now I expect what a corrective structure back into this range, back into this bearish validation point. It needs to correct there, and then one more push up into the to clear these highs. Their liquidity is lying, so to clear these highs. That could be our target. So when it gets there, we then know the next reaction. Then lastly is Bitcoin USDT, BTC USDT. For BTC USDT, I'm bullish on BTC USDT. It's extremely bullish on BTC USDT. And for BTC USDT, like I said last week, I could expect market to take this low, but I'm still bullish. The market could be manipulated, and we could see a spike to the downside like this. And from here, we could see another up push. But I'm still bullish for BTC USDT. But when I'm going to change my bias is if I see the manipulation coming to BTC USD and there was a spike to the downside, and we now start seeing a corrective structure, like the corrective structure, not an impulsive way, then my bias will change that the market wants to do this. But currently, I'm still bullish for BTC USDT. Just been consolidating between this price range. Between the price range of psychological level of 31,500 and 29,500. That's the price range that the consolidating BTC USDT. So that's the price range. So another way to trade this profitably is to be patient, breakout, because there are four stages of a trend. There are 4 stages of a trend. Those are my students. I know you guys will feel bad if I share this free, but I'm going to do that for those who have been participating and joining us. The first stage of a trend is what they call the breakout stage. The breakout stage. So this price range needs to be broken or taken out. So after the breakout stage, the next is continuation. There is meant to be a continuation of that trend direction. And I know a man that made he turned $10,000 to $2 million just trading this strategy. He turned $10,000 to $10,000 to $2 million. After a massive upward move, after a massive upward wave in an asset like this, and the market comes into this box, he then waits for what? The first breakout above this range. Then he enters the market at the what? Correction. Just the same thing we see on gold. The same thing we see on various assets we analyze. On that correction, that's when we now start looking for our buy setups. So after the breakout, continuation. After continuation, they have exhaustion. After exhaustion, they have what? Correction or reversal. So those are the stages of a trend. I hope you got value. If you got value, type value on the comment section. Smash the like button. Share this with your trading pals and buddies. So for the fundamentals, we have high impact news starting from Tuesday for the Great Britain pound, exactly by 12 a.m. West African time. That's when the high impact news is going to start. And we're monitoring Great Britain pound by ACR session. That's 10 p.m. West African time on Monday. So you can be able to see if you can spot out trading opportunities for the Great Britain pound. Then we also have by 1:30 a.m. for the Australian dollar. I'm so excited because I like the setup the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar is giving me. So I'll be watching our market closely. By 1:30, this could be the mover we needed for the buy opportunity on AUD/USD. Then on Tuesday as well, 7 a.m. we have CPI for Euro, which that's London session. And then we have as well unemployment rate for the Great Britain pound, and then employment changes 7 a.m. as well. So we're monitoring both the Euro and the GBP pairs. Probably GBP pairs don't move by 12 a.m. on Tuesday. It will move by 7 a.m. on Tuesday, or probably if it moves by 12 a.m. on Tuesday, it's going to give us a re-entry by 7 a.m. for the London traders to grab the trend. And then the London session ends with the 10 a.m. news for the Euro currency as well, economic sentiment index. Then on Wednesday, we have high impact news. As the Reserve Bank of Australia, their governor, Liu, is speaking. So it's a speech by 10 a.m. 4 a.m. in the morning. 4 a.m. in the morning. That's when that news is going to come. Then for Euro, we have by 8 a.m. in the morning on Wednesday. This is high impact news for CPI, which is for interest rate, one of the most important news in the fundamental markets. So fundamental analysis. So we also have for inflation rate month for the United States dollar. Inflation rate month over month. That's by 1:30. That's New York session. And this Wednesday. So probably we'll be trading New York session together, guys. So join our Telegram channel. We'll be dropping the link on the bio. Join our Telegram channel, and we'll start trading the New York session probably by 12:30 p.m. So we have a 1 hour gap to analyze the market and have a bias and place the trades. Then exactly on Wednesday too, we have Canadian Bank of Canada monetary policy reports by 3. So I expected United States USD card to drop down to the 1.300 psychological level for a sell. So this could be a news that is going to trigger that sell opportunity for us. So watch out for that. On Thursday as well, we have the goods trade balance for the Great Britain pound. We have a lot of Great Britain pound trades this week. So we're monitoring a lot of Great Britain pound pairs. Probably for the GBP JPY, like I told you guys, I expect GBP JPY to go up to the psychological level of 135, and then from there we'll be expecting a drop. So GBP JPY and this goods trade balance, non-EU, and GDP month over month, and good trade balance for May. This for London session on Thursday, 7 a.m. So we'll be awake and we'll be here to trade that session as well. Then for New York session, we have initial jobless claims. Those who claim that they don't have jobs anymore, and then jobless claims will be 4-week average. If this is lower than expected, then this is going to be good news for dollar. But if it's higher than expected, there's going to be negative news for dollar as well. Continuous jobless claims, the same for the initial jobless claim, but it's continuous. So PPI, producer price index, the amount the producers are spending to produce products in the economy. So if this is higher than expected, so it's mainly good. But if it's lower than expected, it's bad. So we'll be watching out for New York session. And then on Friday, we have Michigan consumer sentiment by 3 p.m. West African time, and that will wrap up the week. So that's it. That's quite a lot of data, and we'll be watching out for the structure. We need to align both the technicals with the fundamentals, so you can be able to have a bias and then trade in a certain direction, and liquidity flows in that direction. I hope you do understand this. If you don't, dive down to our website, www.trendsdigitallink.com. You grab a package for yourself. And like I told you guys, we'll be upgrading our packages. We increased the package from $10.95 a month to $49 per month. And then we have discounts on each of the months above 1 month, which is 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. You can see the prices there. You just have to click on the sign up button for a particular package. After you click on the sign up button for a particular package, you fill the form. The form is going to show up over here. After you fill this form, you click on I am not a robot, you authenticate that and click on register. When you complete the registration, it will take you to our payment gateway. You complete the registration with your card or with bank transfer. So when that is completed, you can be able to join the academy. You log in with your details and you start learning the materials. You're going to gain access to different values. You're going to gain access to our official textbook. We have a textbook, which is Forex Mastery, a guide to trading success. This is our official textbook, which you're going to study and learn how to trade the financial market profitably. We're also going to gain access to our indicators. We increased our value. We're going to gain access to indicators, a lot of indicators that is going to help your game. It's a game changer. Risk management indicators, and a lot of ICT indicators that's going to help you with analyzing the market. Just by looking at the chart, your market is already analyzed. You don't need to start bothering about doing this or doing that. And we're going to teach you all that in the course. And also, we're going to gain access to our VIP group, whereby you're going to be receiving signals that you can use to make about 1,000% of your account with proper risk management, which you're going to learn from our academy as well. We're going to also gain access to our one-on-one session, whereby we're going to ask questions. Probably if you're online with me, you ask questions, and then I'll be able to answer these questions and then give you the right approach towards success. You're also going to gain access to our VIP master group. VIP master group, where we're going to see other profitable traders share experience, interact, and share ideas as well. We're also going to gain access to a guest expert trainer. We're going to be inviting a guest who is an expert trader to come and teach you how to trade more strategies. So this is a game changer for you as well. You're going to gain access to our certificates. You're going to be given a certificate when you're done with the lessons. This certificate is going to prove that you're a profitable and a certified trader to handle accounts, not just your account, but investor accounts as well. You're also going to get access to a $5,000 evaluation account from a prop firm we currently partner with. So this is the value you're getting for just a 1 month payment of about $9. And then if you're able to upgrade the payments for 3 months, which is 139 over 65 cents, you'll be able to get access for these services for 3 good months. That's it, my friends. I hope that you got value, smash value, 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 type value, value, value. Share on the comment section what you like. If you have any questions about our academy, we'll be dropping the link below. You can ask your questions as well. And do reach out, and have a profitable trading week.